Introducing Compare Sheets add-on for Google Sheets, your ultimate solution for effortless data comparison. It will quickly and accurately find differences and duplicates between tables from different spreadsheets. The first tool in this powerful set is Compare Sheets for Duplicates. It's what you need to find duplicate or unique rows across multiple tables. Imagine comparing student lists from various terms. Duplicate values will reveal and color the continuing students, while unique values will indicate the newbies and potential dropouts. Another excellent tool, Compare Sheets cell by cell, finds even the most subtle differences between tables with the same structure by comparing cross-sheet cells with each other. So, if you've just received updated sales data, the tool will easily spot any differences between this new data and your existing table. And if coloring these sheets is not your jam, the add-on will gather a comprehensive comparison report, presenting all the differences in a clear and organized manner. Finally, you'll have Compare Columns, your sidekick for quick column comparisons. Whatever data you're managing, you will choose your preferred action to spot those values and watch the magic happen right before your eyes. Embrace Compare Sheets as your trusted ally. It's your right choice to unlock a new level of efficiency when comparing data in Google Sheets. Install it today for free and without registration right from your spreadsheet menu, either as part of the Power Tools collection or a standalone add-on, or use the link in the video description to get it.